Hi everyone, my name is Jeslyn and today I want to introduce to you Zoom. First, let's start off with the question, what is Zoom? So Zoom was created by Eric Yuan in 2011 in San Jose, California. It is an app that acts as a communication platform to allow people to interact in various ways. It allows you to do video calls, audio calls, and text chatting as well. This app includes many features such as screen sharing, file sharing, virtual backgrounds. You can create polls and quizzes while in meetings, and much more. This app really transforms the way we communicate with each other and makes it so much easier to share information and makes the process more enjoyable as well. Let's talk a little bit more about the Zoom features I listed. First up is screen sharing. Screen sharing allows users within a meeting to easily share the information they have pulled up on their device. By sharing their screen, they can allow others to see whatever it is they are doing on their device. Screen sharing can help improve training and allow multiple users to work on a project together in real time. Just be careful with whatever you pull up on your device because if you're screen sharing, then other people can see it too. Next up is virtual backgrounds. Virtual backgrounds can make meetings more fun and enjoyable. They allow you to pick whatever setting you want to be in. This can also be useful if you find yourself in a setting that you don't want to show to everyone in the meeting. Now let's look at file sharing. File sharing can save users time by allowing them to instantly share files with someone else. It also can help keep your data safe by allowing you to set restrictions on who can see the file and who can't, and makes files more accessible to those you want to share it with. Next is polls and quizzes. While in Zoom meetings, you can create polls and quizzes for the participants to interact with. Polls and quizzes are good for gathering insights and gauging how much people have learned. Some more features that Zoom includes are recording the Zoom meeting, translated captions if you're in a meeting with someone who doesn't speak the same language as you, and scheduling, which allows you to schedule your Zoom meetings. Now that we've discussed what Zoom is and some of its features, let's discuss why it's important to know how to use Zoom. We know that Zoom is a tool to connect people and allow them to share information, but why is this important? Well, a couple of places that Zoom can and has been used is in the workplace and at school. Zoom is typically used in these locations when everyone can't be together in the same place. This is especially important during a time like the COVID pandemic. When everyone was stuck in their houses, Zoom gave many people a way to connect and continue on with life. Zoom provided businesses with a way to interact with their employees and to run their companies. It also allowed schools to continue to engage with children and educate them. Also, our society today is becoming more technology-centered. There are more and more uses of technology being introduced into our lives almost every day. Technology's use in the workplace has grown dramatically over the years, and that includes the implementation of Zoom as well. It's important that you understand how to use Zoom and what it is so when the time comes for you to use it, you're ready and can navigate the app with ease. Now let's actually look at demonstrations on how to use different features of the Zoom app. The first feature demonstrated is how to join a Zoom meeting. First, you want to click onto the Zoom app. Once you're on the app, you want to click the Join button under the Meetings section. Next, it will ask you for the meeting ID. This should be provided by the host of the meeting. Next, it will ask you to enter the password for the meeting, which should also be provided by the host of the meeting. Once you have entered that information, you have now made it into the meeting where the host will admit you, and then you'll be able to interact with everyone. The second feature demonstrated is how to create your own Zoom meeting. First, you will click the New Meeting button under the Meeting section of the app. Then it will give you the option to have your video on or off, and if you want to use your personal meeting ID. Next, you'll select the Start a Meeting button, and now you have your own meeting. The third feature demonstrated is how to apply virtual backgrounds in a Zoom meeting. First, you want to scroll to the left on the options at the bottom and select Apps. Then a couple of options will pop up, one being virtual backgrounds. You'll click on virtual backgrounds and then it will pop up 4 categories for you to look through. The first category is nature. The next category is interiors. Then you have travel, and lastly, art. I chose to look through the interior backgrounds and choose one of those options. Once you find the background you like, just click Set Background and then back out of the Apps section, and now you have a new background. The fourth feature demonstrated is how to add participants into your Zoom meeting and a couple of different ways to interact with others while in the meeting. To add participants, you can click the Participants button at the bottom of the Zoom call. This will then pop up you as the host and a little invite button at the bottom left corner. You'll then click the invite button and this should pop up 3 options: send message, invite contacts, and copy invite link. If you click send message, it will generate an automated message with a link for your Zoom meeting, and you can input anyone's phone number you want to send it to. If you click invite contacts, it will pop up contacts you've already interacted with, and you can click their name and send them an invite. And then if you click copy invite link, it will copy the link to your Zoom, and you can paste the link anywhere you wish so others can join your Zoom call. Some interaction features are you can click the reactions button at the bottom of the screen and it will give you emojis that you can press. You can also click the chat button and type out a message. You can share the message with everyone or you can send it directly to someone. You can also share your screen by clicking the share options at the bottom of the screen. This will then pop up multiple options and you'll want to click the screen option. It will then show you a start the broadcast button and you can click it to start sharing your screen. Now you can see everything that is displayed on my device in real time. The fifth feature demonstrated is how to send text in Zoom. You'll want to click the Team Chat section of the app. This will take you to a screen where you can click the Start New Chat button. It will then ask you to enter the name or email address of the person you want to start the chat with. Once you enter the information, if the person has a Zoom account, they should pop up. Then you'll click the person and send them an invite to chat. You then have to wait for the person to open your invite and accept your request to chat. Once they do, you should get a notification. You'll then click the notification and click the person you want to chat with. It will then pop up the options to video meet, audio meet, chat, or share. You'll then click chat and now you can send direct messages. The last feature demonstrated is how to schedule a Zoom meeting. You'll first want to click the schedule button under the meeting section of the app. This will pop up different settings you can apply for the meeting. First, you can name the meeting. Then you can change the time the meeting starts. You can also set the duration of the meeting. You can adjust the time zone and if you want to repeat the meeting. Next, you can pick the people you want to attend the meeting. And as you can see, there are more settings you can change and adjust as well. Once you are done adjusting the settings, you'll want to click Save in the top right-hand corner, and now you have scheduled a Zoom meeting. That would be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now know all about Zoom. Bye.